Raju had bought a motorcycle using a vehicle loan availed from XYZ Bank. However, Raju lost his job and was struggling to repay the loan amiss. One day, a fraudster disguised as recovery agent of XYZ Bank approached Raju at his residence.
I am recovery agent from XYZ Bank. It is seen that you have defaulted repayment of loan dues. I am here to officially seize your vehicle.
Oh no, please don't seize my vehicle. I have missed last few Ms as I had lost my job. I have got a new job offer at hand and I promise to repay from next month.
No, this is bank's procedure. You have around 20,000 rupees dues. You will have to pay at least 5,000 rupees now or I will have to take the vehicle.
Okay, I will pay rupees 5,000 now and remaining in next few months.
Okay sir, I am doing this as a special favor. You can collect the receipt and pending dues position directly from the bank branch.
After few days, another recovery agent approaches Raju at his residence.
Good evening, sir. I am Ravi, recovery agent from XYZ Bank. Please see this recovery notice issued by bank stating that you have missed your last 3 ME and bank may go forward with seizure of vehicle. You may either pay directly at the bank or hand over to me against receipt.
How come? I have already paid rupees 5,000 few days before to your agent.
That is not possible, sir. I am the authorized agent for XYZ Bank in this area. Please see my ID card and the authorization letter from the bank for recovering dues. Did you see his ID? Do you have any proof of making payment?
I trusted him blindly.
Never make any cash payment to bank or recovery agents without proper acknowledgement of receipt. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by OneShell.